Welcome back to World Coins Hub, the place where we uncover the hidden treasures locked inside everyday currency and rare collectible coins. Now imagine for a moment that the coin you casually handled the coin that passed through countless hands. And pockets could be worth not just a few pesos, not just a few dollars, but an astonishing $21 million. Yes, you heard that right. A coin minted in the Philippines in the year 2009. A 5 peso coin that might just be sitting unnoticed in a coin jar drawer or pocket change, and yet this same coin in the right circumstances and with the right conditions could transform from ordinary metal into an object of unimaginable wealth. And today we are going to break down every detail of this coin, its history, its value, its specifications, and most importantly the reason why collectors and grading companies place such extraordinary value upon it. So do not click away, because the deeper we go into this story, the stranger and more suspenseful it becomes. But before we dive headfirst into the mystery of the 2009 Philippine 5 peso coin, I want to ask you to subscribe to World Coins Hub right now, because this channel is where we reveal the secrets of coins that look ordinary, but can secretly hold life-changing values. You will not want to miss the breakdowns that follow in future episodes. So hit that subscribe button like this video and comment below if you have ever owned or seen a Philippine 5 peso coin, because who knows, you might already be holding one of the rarest coins in existence. Now let us set the stage. The 2009 Philippine 5 peso coin is part of the new BSP series, issued by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. The obverse side shows the national hero, Andres Bonifacio, wearing his traditional camisa de chino, a symbol of bravery and resistance during the Philippine Revolution, while the reverse side proudly displays the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas with the year of issue inscribed. At the bottom, at first glance, this coin looks entirely ordinary. Millions of them were produced and circulated across the Philippines. So why would one of these coins be valued at an earth-shattering $21 million? Here is where the suspense deepens. Collectors know that rarity is not always about how many coins were minted. Sometimes it is about what makes one particular piece different from the rest. It could be a striking error, a minting anomaly, a rare variety, or even a coins preserved in such immaculate condition that professional grading companies like PCGS or NGC would award it the highest possible grade, mint state 70. And when that happens, a coin that seems common can suddenly leap into the realm of priceless treasures. And yes, the 2009 Philippine 5 peso coin has such versions, but let me keep you waiting just a little longer before I reveal the exact reason why one specimen is valued at 21 million. Because first you need to understand the foundation of coin collecting. Numismatics is not just about metal. It is about history, rarity, condition, and provenance. When a collector evaluates a coin, they examine several critical factors. First is the grade. The grade refers to the condition of the coin, from circulated heavily worn examples all the way to pristine, untouched mint state coins. Grading companies like the Professional Coin Grading Service or PCGS and the Numismatic Guarantee Company or NGC have created strict standards to assign grades, ranging from poor 1 to mint state 70. And trust me, the difference in value between a coin graded MS-60 and the same coin graded MS-70 can be worth millions. Second is the strike, a coin with sharp, clear design details free of weak spots or die cracks is always more desirable. Third is the rarity, not just in terms of total mintage, but in the survival rate. How many of those coins exist today in perfect condition? And finally, provenance. The story of the coin, where it came from, who owned it, and what makes it stand apart. Collectors love a coin with a story, and the 2009 5 peso coin has one of the most fascinating stories you will ever hear. Now let us pause for a moment and create suspense. Imagine you are holding a small coin weighing only 7.5 grams with a diameter of 27 millimeters, and a thickness of 2 millimeters. You turn it over in your fingers and see the familiar face of Andres Bonifacio. But what if this very coin, instead of being just another ordinary piece, had a minting anomaly, a rare die clash, or even a double strike? What if this coin had been preserved in such flawless condition that under the eyes of expert graders, it achieved perfection? Mint state 70. At that point, the story transforms completely. And here is the reveal. There exists a 2009 Philippine 5 Piso coin that has been verified by experts to possess a combination of extreme rarity, unique error, and absolute top-grade quality. That combination propelled it into auction. Houses where frenzied collectors drove the price higher and higher until it crossed the jaw-dropping threshold of $21 million. Yes, that is right. A small coin that originally held the power of buying a bus ticket or a snack in the Philippines has become more valuable than luxury mansions, more valuable than fleets of cars, more valuable than bars of gold. So how can you as a collector ensure that your coin might have similar value? This is where coin grading becomes your best friend. Never assume a coin is ordinary until it has been carefully examined. Always check for striking anomalies such as off-center strikes, double dies, plancher errors, or unusual edge variations. And if you suspect you have something extraordinary, your next step is to send it to PCGS or NGC. These are the world leaders in coin authentication and grading their sealed slabs. Not only verify authenticity, but also lock in value, giving collectors and investors the confidence that they are handling something real. But let us not forget the physical specifications of the coin itself, because details matter. This 2009 5 Piso coin has a brass composition, which means a mixture of copper and zinc. It measures 27 millimeters across 2 millimeters thick and weighs exactly 7.4 grams. Its smooth edge and clean strike make it an attractive coin. But again, what separates the million-dollar version from the ordinary pocket change is condition and rarity. Without those factors, it remains worth 5 pesos. But with them, it becomes a financial miracle. And here comes another suspenseful moment. What if I told you that coins like this can still be found in circulation? Yes, you heard me correctly. People across the Philippines have reported stumbling upon older coins in their change, including the 5 Piso coin. And while most are ordinary, there is always the chance that one extraordinary specimen has slipped through unnoticed into the hands of someone who does not even realize what treasure they are holding. Now you might ask, where can such coins be sold? How can you turn a discovery like this into cash? And here is the answer. Do not rush. Never attempt to sell a potentially rare coin in a street shop or small pawn shop where you may not receive its true value. Instead, approach professional auction houses such as Heritage Auctions, Stax Bowers, or reputable numismatic dealers who specialize in rare world coins. Online platforms like eBay can be used, but only with extreme caution, and preferably with a graded slab from PCGS or NGC. To avoid fraud and disputes, the best sales often occur at high-profile coin auctions, where wealthy collectors from across the globe compete and drive the price sky high. Now let us build curiosity again, because I want you to think about this. What if, right now as you are watching this video, you already have a jar of coins in your home with several Philippine coins mixed inside? What if one of those is the legendary 2009 5 Piso coin in immaculate mint condition? What would you do? Would you hold it as a long-term investment? Would you sell it instantly at auction? Or would you pass it down as a family heirloom? This is the kind of decision collectors dream of facing. And here is something fascinating about numismatics. Coin collecting is more than just a hobby. It is a bridge to history. When you hold a coin like this, you are holding not only money, but also the art, culture, and struggles of an entire nation. Think about Andres Bonifacio engraved on the coin, the revolutionary hero whose bravery shaped Philippine independence. That design alone ties this coin to a legacy of resistance, pride, and sacrifice. So when collectors bid millions for a coin, they are not just buying metal. They are buying a piece of living history sealed forever in brass. Now, as we near the climax of this story, let us put the spotlight once again on you. The viewer, do you realize the suspense that every coin jar, pocket drawer, or old box could be hiding incredible value? This is why you should never ignore coins lying around, because a single discovery could change everything. So check your coins carefully. And if you ever suspect you have a rare one, share your story in the comments below, because World Coins Hub is not just a channel. It is a community of collectors, explorers, and dreamers who know that hidden wealth is waiting for those who look closely. And as we close this journey, let me leave you with this final thought: the 2009 Philippine 5 Piso coin, valued at $21 million, is proof that treasure still exists, not buried under mountains, not locked in vaults, but sometimes resting quietly in your palm, waiting for the right person to recognize its worth. And if that person is you, your life could change forever. So stay with World Coins Hub, because every episode, we will unlock another mystery, another coin, another hidden fortune waiting to be revealed, like this video. Share it with fellow collectors, and above all, subscribe so that you never miss the next story of rare coins that defy belief. The story continues, the suspense grows, and the treasure hunt never ends.